Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we need to divide both sides by t. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that positive next to 3 over t, and that is next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. And we have 3f and t. And now I will put number 3 go inside about natural law in here. And we have t to the power of 3. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have yt to the power of 3. Now we have the formula in here. So for this one, we have t to the power of 5 over 5. The next one, that is about number 4. The next one, that is about number 3. And I will put about c. Now we have the conditions in here. That means when t equals to number 1, y equals to number 3. And now we need to put number 1 go in here. Number 3 go in here. Number 1 go in here. And now we can find the value of c. So we put this one go to the left, and now we have c equals to 83 over 60. So I will put this one go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.